Xiaomi's global spokesman Donovan Sung sent out a tweet today that gives us official information on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2s. The refreshed version of the Mi Mix 2 will be launched on March 27th, and will indeed be powered by Qualcomm's powerful new Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. The device is expected to feature a four-sided ceramic body and carry a 5.99-inch full-screen display. According to previous rumors, the device will come with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM along with 256 GB of high-speed UFS storage. A pair of 12MP cameras will adorn the back of the handset, and an under-the-display fingerprint scanner will be on board. The Mi Mix 2s is expected to be equipped with global 4G LTE bands. As an indication of how powerful the Mix 2s is, driven by the Snapdragon 845, the device scored 273,741 on the Antutu benchmark test. To put this perspective, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, also powered by the Snapdragon 845, scored 265,267 on the same test. Source at Donovan Sung.